Hey, Eli, were you able to call back Mr. Stein?
Yes, I called him myself this afternoon. His account access issue was due to a duplicate profile.
That happens. Did you merge the files?
I did. And I made a note on the client file so it doesn't happen again.
Good. That's the kind of follow-up that keeps people with us.
Has anyone seen my wireless headset? I left it on the tech bench.
I think Darius moved it during the desk sweep earlier.
Again? I wish people would label things.
He put it in the tech locker for you. Want me to grab it?
No, I'll get it myself. Thanks, though.
Zoe, a client named Miss Browning, came in about a replacement modem.
That couldn't be fixed over the phone?
Apparently not. She said her third modem failed and she refused to wait on hold again.
Did you help her yourself?
Yes, I processed a priority replacement and helped her fill the incident form.
Good job, Nora. That's how we handle difficult situations, calmly and clearly. Darius, can you do the final walkthrough before we close?
Already did it. All rooms are locked, and the supply closet is shut tight.
And the charging stations?
Turned off. But one screen froze during shutdown. I noted it in the maintenance log.
Thanks for staying sharp. Go ahead and clock out. I'll lock up after you.
Have a good night, Zoe.
Here, we reach the end of One Glitch at a Time series. Stay tuned for other Safar AI series, Your Journey to Better English.